Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Instagram highlights using Canva. So I'm just opening up the Canva app and I'm using the Instagram story template. So I opened that up and you can't see it at the bottom. I need to learn how to do this, but I have not learned, and I'm doing this like the just bootleg way. But right now I'm adding text. You can't see it at the bottom, but that's what I'm doing. So when you go to Canva, just add text, and I am going to choose the font that I want. I went with kind of a cursive font because that coincided with my logo. And it kind of gave it a little more of a feminine touch. So I'm going to make the word as big as the screen. Not too big, but almost as big as the screen, because you want it to, and now I'm going beyond the screen, but you want it to fill out the whole circle. So basically now I am saving the word, and it's going to save to my camera roll. I'm going back to Instagram and I'm adding a highlight. You just press the plus button in front of the highlights, and then you select add to highlights, and then you put the name of your highlight, which mine I'm using blog. So you put the name and then you add it to your story, and that's it.